What if I told you that creating a beautiful home isn't about buying more furniture, more decorations, or following every new interior design trend? What if the secret to a luxurious, peaceful, and timeless living space was actually owning less but choosing better? For years, many people associated minimalism with cold white walls, empty rooms, and spaces that felt more like art galleries than homes. While those interiors looked clean, they often lacked warmth, personality, and comfort. That's where a new design movement has taken over modern homes around the world. It's called Warm Minimalism. Warm Minimalism combines the simplicity of minimalist design with the comfort of natural materials, earthy colors, soft textures, and intentional living. It's not about removing everything from your home. It's about creating a space where every item serves a purpose while making the room feel inviting and relaxing. Today, we're exploring 10 essential warm minimalism decor rules that designers use to create homes that feel calm, elegant, and effortlessly beautiful. Whether you're decorating a small apartment, a family home, or simply refreshing a single room, these principles can completely transform the way your space looks and feels. Let's begin. 1. Choose earthy colors instead of pure white. One of the biggest misconceptions about minimalism is the belief that everything must be bright white. While white can feel clean and spacious, too much of it often creates an environment that feels cold and sterile. Warm minimalism replaces stark whites with earthy tones inspired by nature. Think warm beige, soft taupe sand colors, clay tones, warm gray cream terracotta, mushroom tones. These colors create a sense of comfort while maintaining visual simplicity. Walk into a room filled with warm, neutral tones, and you'll immediately notice the difference. The space feels relaxed, inviting, timeless. Instead of demanding attention, the colors create a calm backdrop that supports everyday living. 2. Prioritize quality over quantity. One of the most powerful rules of warm minimalism is owning fewer things, but choosing better things. Many homes become cluttered because people buy items impulsively. Decor accumulates. Furniture gets replaced frequently. Accessories multiply over time. Warm minimalism encourages intentional purchasing. Before bringing something into your home, ask, does it serve a purpose? Does it improve the space? Will I still love it years from now? A single well-crafted wooden coffee table often creates more visual impact than a room filled with inexpensive decorative items. Quality pieces bring character, longevity, and authenticity to a space. Less truly becomes more. 3. Embrace natural materials, everywhere possible. Nature plays a huge role in warm minimalist design. Instead of relying heavily on plastic, synthetic surfaces, and glossy finishes, focus on materials that feel organic and grounded. Examples include wood linen cotton, wool stone cork, rattan clay. Leather natural materials introduce texture without creating visual clutter. A wooden dining table instantly adds warmth. A linen sofa feels soft and welcoming. A stone vase creates subtle sophistication. These materials age beautifully over time, making the home feel more authentic rather than manufactured. 4. Follow the one purpose, one space rule. Clutter often develops because spaces lose their intended function. A dining table becomes a storage area. A chair becomes a clothing rack. A countertop becomes a dumping ground. Warm minimalism encourages assigning clear purposes to every area of the home. The dining table is for dining. The reading corner is for relaxation. The workspace is for productivity. This simple mindset helps reduce visual chaos while making rooms feel more organized and functional. When every space serves a defined purpose, the entire home becomes easier to maintain. 5. Use hidden storage whenever possible. One of the secrets behind beautiful minimalist homes is that they still contain everyday belongings. The difference is that storage is integrated thoughtfully. Hidden storage helps maintain clean lines and visual calm. Look for furniture that includes storage benches, ottoman compartments, floating cabinets, underbed storage, built-in shelving, concealed drawers. The goal isn't to eliminate possessions entirely. The goal is to eliminate unnecessary visual noise. When surfaces remain clean and organized, the room instantly feels larger and more relaxing. 6. Let clean lines lead the design. Warm minimalism values simplicity and form. Furniture should feel elegant without being overly decorative. This doesn't mean boring. It means intentional. Look for furniture with simple silhouettes, straight lines, gentle curves, uncluttered profiles. Avoid excessive ornamentation or overly busy details. Clean lines create visual harmony and allow natural materials to become the focal point. The room feels sophisticated without trying too hard. This balance is one of the defining characteristics of modern warm minimalism. 7. Layer textures. Instead of decorations, many people believe decorating requires filling shelves with objects. Warm minimalism takes a different approach. Instead of adding more decorative items, add texture. Texture creates visual interest while maintaining simplicity. Examples include linen curtains, wool throws, woven baskets, textured ceramics, natural wood grain, handmade rugs. These elements add depth without overwhelming the room. A simple neutral-colored room can feel rich and luxurious when multiple textures are layered thoughtfully. Texture creates warmth where color and decoration remain restrained. 8. Bring nature indoors. No warm minimalist home feels complete without some connection to nature. Plants introduce life, movement, and organic beauty into a space. Even a single plant can dramatically improve a room's atmosphere. Popular choices include olive trees, snake plants, fiddle leaf figs, pothos, monstera plants, eucalyptus arrangements. The key is restraint. Rather than filling every corner with greenery, choose a few meaningful plants and allow them space to shine. Nature softens minimalist interiors and makes them feel alive. 9. Create breathing room. Between objects, many homeowners make the mistake of filling every available space. Every wall gets decorated, every shelf gets occupied, every corner gets furnished. Warm minimalism embraces negative space. Negative space is not emptiness, it's visual breathing room. It's what allows beautiful objects to stand out. A carefully styled shelf with 3 meaningful pieces often looks more luxurious than a shelf packed with 20 random decorations. The same principle applies to furniture placement. Rooms feel more spacious when objects have room around them. Space itself becomes part of the design. 10. Design for how you want to feel. Perhaps the most important warm minimalism rule has nothing to do with furniture, color, or decoration. It starts with emotion. Before decorating any room, ask yourself, how do I want this space to make me feel? Relaxed, focused, comfortable, inspired, peaceful? Every design decision should support that feeling. Too often, people decorate based solely on trends. Warm minimalism encourages a more personal approach. A successful room isn't one that looks expensive. It's one that improves your daily life. When your home supports your emotional well-being, every design choice becomes more meaningful. Bonus rule: declutter. Before you decorate, many people try to improve their homes by adding more art, more furniture, more accessories. But often the biggest transformation happens through subtraction. Before purchasing anything new, remove items that no longer serve a purpose. Clear surfaces. Organize storage. Simplify collections. Once unnecessary clutter disappears, the beauty of the space becomes easier to appreciate. Sometimes the best decoration is simply having less distraction. Why warm minimalism is growing so quickly. There is a reason warm minimalism has become one of the most influential interior design trends in recent years. Modern life is increasingly noisy. Notifications never stop. Schedules become crowded. Information overload is constant. People naturally seek environments that feel calm and restorative. Warm minimalist interiors offer exactly that. They provide visual clarity without sacrificing comfort. They feel modern without feeling cold. They feel luxurious without being excessive. Most importantly, they create homes designed for real life rather than social media photographs. Common warm minimalism. Mistakes to avoid. Even though warm minimalism appears simple, a few mistakes can prevent the look from working effectively. Avoid using too much white, choosing furniture that feels uncomfortable, over-decorating shelves, ignoring texture, filling every empty corner, buying low-quality furniture, following trends blindly, neglecting storage solutions. The goal is balance. Minimal but not empty, warm but not cluttered, simple but not boring. Finding that balance is what makes the style so powerful. Warm minimalism isn't about perfection. It's not about living in an empty house or throwing away everything you own. It's about being intentional. It's about creating a home that feels calm, welcoming, and comfortable while eliminating unnecessary distractions. By embracing earthy colors, natural materials, hidden storage, clean lines, layered textures, and thoughtful design choices, you can transform any room into a space that feels both sophisticated and deeply personal. The beauty of warm minimalism is that it never goes out of style. Trends come and go, but simplicity, comfort, and authenticity remain timeless. And perhaps that's the greatest lesson of all. A beautiful home isn't defined by how much it contains. It's defined by how intentionally it's designed to support the life happening inside it.